Hello, Matt here. I don't know which one of trying to get this piece to be an engine again. So now, a fun part. All of this crap right here, including this not so happy turbo. It shall be good. That's from a 5 series. And I'll explain why once we put it back together. Also this. Anyways, all this crap needs to go on this engine in a hopeful effort of making it run one day. Yeah, we'll see. Alright, so I don't want to bore you with too much details. But first off, this here says camshaft screws, because I'm still missing the 3 screws in there. So I've put this on, I forgot I have to tighten them, so that's a reminder. That also means I will not be able to put the fuel lines up because they'll be in the way, so why do it 3 times? That also means that next thing we'll be doing is the turbo side. And there, again, we have a problem. This one is busted, but I received another one with a turbo, so this can go. This one, this is a coolant, I think, return, which goes, it's easier when you're on the right side of the engine, which goes here. Well, it's busted on this side. So now what I need to do is, well, I have this. I also have this, which I won't be needing because it's bent here. And I still have this one, which I won't be needing because all of these are on the shitty turbo. So I'll be using the shitty turbo ones, which means getting all this and trying to make this work. Alright, so this is now usable, but I only have 4 whatever these are called. They are kind of gaskets, and the other 2 are at the other location. So I cannot put that on. Well, that means what I can put on is the ancillaries, alternator, aircon compressor, and everything like that. So I guess we'll be doing that. Well, at this point, this is a guessing game. So I have the alternator where it should be, but it doesn't align. Okay, we can align it like this. So no problems here. Now, this bracket should go on. Something like this. Oh yeah, it aligns perfectly. Cool. And then the aircon compressor should go down here. Oh yeah, well, let's put this on. What we have so far, this, which is one of the rare cooling hoses that survived. All the serpentine belt things are here and the belt is on, but we are missing one bolt and I don't know where it is. But that's not all. We have an engine mount bracket here, which is bolted in place. We don't have one here. Why? Because we are missing 4 bolts. So looks like we've lost the box of bolts. Let's try and find it. So we're making progress. This is on, fuel rail. This will not be getting on, as I said, valve cover needs to go off. We've also put in those studs and also studs on the other side. Now we are about ready to get the intake manifold on, and that's one scary thought because of all this wiring. Alright, still haven't found this bolt. Still haven't found those bolts. Guess they'll have to wait a bit more. No. So this is a pain in the butt. Routing these wires, I mean, there's a bunch of wires underneath the intake manifold. As you can see, it's all just a bit of a mess. What we'll do now is try and save this. These are actually pretty known to be prone to failing and are commonly replaced by aluminium or stainless steel or whatever ones. But our motto for now is keeping it stock, so we'll try and weld this on. See what happens. Seems tight enough. Hope it will work. Must say I'm pretty happy with the work we did today. All the jacks are connected. This goes to the chassis, this goes to the gearbox. No worries there. This I still haven't connected because, as I told you, I need to take the valve cover off and tighten down the camshaft. This is all done. This piece of wiring loom, I have to order new because there's no saving that. I'm missing a bunch of jacks and they are all broken and shit. I also need cam position sensor. Unfortunately, we cannot do this side, as I said, because I'm missing the gaskets. That's a bummer because we could have had that done already. This I need to weld up. It's not bad, no need to disassemble it, just a bit of welding and it's ready to go on. And as you can see, this is already on. I mean, it's starting to look like an engine. As I said, we're missing some parts and we cannot work on this engine anymore. For today we are done, which means we are switching over to this car. And, well, you know the plan for this car. That engine, transmission and everything is going into this car, which means everything from this car is coming out. We are taking it apart to basically a bare shell. Then we'll take off the side skirts, complete interior going out, everything from the black car going in, all the equipment, all the interior, side skirts from the black car, front bumper. That's an interesting one. M140 or facelifted M135i. Going on, I have the bumper. I'm just waiting for the grills and some parts down there which are different, whatever. This fender from the black car. M Sport rear bumper from the black car. And that's basically it. It will be, well, in my opinion, I wouldn't be building it if I thought differently. The best F20, and not just that, maybe even the best hot hatch ever. Bees, wasps, and all the other critters. Well, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, please give it a like. It means a lot. Damn, how much? Damn. Annoying. And a lot of... They are annoying as hell today. A lot of interesting content coming right up. So yeah, why not subscribe? Anyways, for now, this is it. And as always, I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.